So may tanong po tayo about sa isa kong video, creating new GCash account. Ang tanong po is, may bago akong binili na SIM at gagawa ako ng new account sa GCash, kaso ayaw naman mapakita ng create new account. Actually, since marami na nag-ask ng question na ito, I actually did my research. And when I did my research, GCash said that if may bago kang binili na SIM, and when you try to register that SIM and walang create GCash o di kaya fully verify na agad yung SIM, meaning yung SIM na nabili nyo po na number, specifically ay may nakalink na po na GCash account. So, paano po ito naging possible? May nabasa rin po ako sa Reddit as I dig deeper na yung mga telco po daw is nagre-recycle ng mga deactivated number. Ano po yung mga deactivated number? For example, may SIM ako na nawala and 1 year na hindi ginagamit. So, yung SIM na yun is i-deactivate na ni telco at i-recycle nila ito, selling it to a new user. Kaya po, when you try using that number na nabili nyo, may chances na yung number na yun is may link na GCash account. Kaya kahit bago yung SIM mo, walang create account o di kaya fully verify na, meaning hindi ka makakagawa ng GCash account from that SIM. So I hope this video answer your question. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yun lang, see you in my next video. Let's go!